Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sonam. First of all, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you out there. Enjoy this day, enjoy Christmas, enjoy New Year. Though I'll be working on both the days, never mind. So in this video I'm going to show you how I did this makeup. Actually I wore this for the Christmas party, but you can wear it for any marriage function or New Year. So without any further ado, let's get started. To moisturize my face, I'm using this cream from Lotus Herbal White Glow Skin Brightening and Moisturizing Cream. The foundation, I'm using this Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. It's a matte poreless foundation for those who have oily skin, and it's medium to high coverage. Here I'm using a concealer from Maybelline. This is also Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, and I'll apply it under my eye and the area which have a dark spot and pigmentation. Now I'm going to set my concealer with Maybelline setting powder, loose powder, and I'll apply it only under my eye, not full face. For my brow, I have taken again a product from Maybelline only. It's a Maybelline gel eyeliner, and with the help of an ankle brush, I'll make my brows. So now I'm done with both my brows. I'll be applying some concealer on my eye to make the base for the eyeshadow, and with the same concealer I'll be cleaning my brows. And to set my concealer, I'll be using the same loose powder from Maybelline. Eyeshadow, I'm using this palette from Huda Beauty. By the way, it's a dupe palette. I'm taking this eyeshadow called Sandalwood and applying on my crease line. Using Choco from the same palette and applying on my crease line again. From the same palette, I'm using this black eyeshadow and applying on the outer corner of my eye, and especially I'm focusing only on the outer corner. I'm not dragging it to the middle and to the front, only at the outer corner. Now with the help of a concealer, I'm going to slowly cut the crease. I'm doing a half cut crease. From the same palette, I'm using this eyeshadow, and I'm going to fill the inner half of my eyelid. And for liner, I'm using this eyeliner from Maybelline. For my lower lash line, I'm using this gel eyeliner from Maybelline, which I have used to make my eyebrow. So to contour my face, I'm using this Mega Glow Contour Stick. And with the help of a brush, I'm blending it out. Blush, I'm taking this palette from LA Colors. It's a 3D blush contour, which is amazing. So to highlight my face, I'm using a highlighter from Wet n Wild, and I'll be setting my face with spray. It's from NYX. For my lips, I'm using this matte lipstick from Lakme. It's in shade 05 Red Smoke. So yeah, this is my final look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you like this video. See you in my next video. Tata, bye bye, take care.